Hello friends, welcome to my channel Always Solution. Recently I faced a problem, so I here for you with a solution. At first I want to install the WordPress to a easy way, so that's why I will click on install now. Now I will click on install. Here you can see there is an error. The installation already exists. So without removing it, I cannot install the new WordPress site on that server. So first of all, I will go to here and click here, and you can see there is a installation item. And click here and removing WordPress directory. Yes, remove installation. You can see there is a pop-up message. So yes, I am sure. Click here. Now it's removing. Okay, return to my WordPress management. Okay, now go to here, install. Okay. Okay. Now click here. Install is processing. You can see our installation has been completed. Now let's go to WP admin. You can see our WordPress site successfully installed. This is the way, and here is the solution. Hope you like my video, and don't forget to like, comment, and share. Thank you.